If you're looking for a cool way to add wireless charging to your desk, Connex has a cool option. This is the premium mousepad with wireless charging, and so you have this nice mouse area, and then off to the side, you're able to set a phone there, and that's just to show you where it is. There's a small little plus so you know where to put that when you want to charge. You drop your phone there, and it's going to charge. It's a nice way to be able to constantly, see your notifications and everything right there, right off your mouse, so you can grab it, put it down. I love wirelessly charging at my desk because of the convenience of picking the phone up, moving around with it really easily, and this charges with micro USB, so you plug that in and you're going to be able to charge your phone, have a nice mouse surface. It's available in a variety of colors. This is a cool like rose gold blush, and then we also have a midnight blue and a smoke gray and a latte cream. So there's a lot of cool color options to match the decor of your office or your home office, and just a really nice option to see a cool way to put wireless charging into something. These will be available in February, and they're $49.95.